Ang mga natutunan ko from pickleball. Ako si Lisa Singh San Cao Peng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. Lately, pickleball has been my workout of choice. Maraming reasons why I prefer it over swimming or Zumba na ginagawa ko pa rin naman now and then. Una, sa swimming, ako lang mag-isa. It's not really a social sport. Sa pickleball at sa Zumba, marami kang makikilala. At kahit paano, parang nagiging isang community kayo. But in pickleball, it's more challenging because you have scoring. And if you're competitive, pagsisikapan mong mas gumaling. There are many spiritual lessons I learned from playing this sport. Like being your brother or sister's keeper. Pag naglaro ka ng open play, ibig sabihin, everyone takes turns to play. Nagro-rotate kayo, kaya hindi ka pwedeng mamili ng kalaro mo. Mahina o malakas, kailangan mong laruin. And you have to watch out for your partner kasi teammates kayo. But my best games are when my partner is better than me. Yung shots na hindi ko nakukuha, nasasalo niya. At parang nahahawa ako sa galing niya at mas gumaganda yung laro ko. Naisip ko, a game of pickleball is like our lives. Pag si Lord ang partner mo, His strength is your strength. Yung shots na lumalampas sa'yo, siya ang sumasalo. Tapos, hindi lang siya ang playing partner mo. Coach pa! He teaches you how to improve yourself, guides you where to place your shots, and renews your strength. Isaiah 30 says, "With your own eyes you shall see your teacher, and your ears shall hear a word behind you. This is the way. Walk in it when you would turn to the right or the left." Ikaw, anong natututunan mo sa workout mo? Tayo magdasal? Lord, whatever I do, whether I eat or drink, play or work, rest or struggle, I want to give glory to you. Help me learn from you in the daily circumstances of my life. Amen.